Hi, I'm Tony Ruggiero, host of the Dew Sweepers Golf Show on XM 146 and Sirius 209, as well as the Director of Instruction here at Santa Rosa Golf and Beach Club and at some Honors Golf facilities throughout the Southeast. I'm here with the new Cleveland Ultralight right-weight fitting system for drivers. You know, people all the time go by drivers, they may turn on the TV and they watch what the tour players are hitting, but none of us are exactly like the tour players. Or they go play golf with their buddy and they see that their buddy's hitting a driver really well. You know what? Very few of us are all built alike or swing alike. That's why the new Cleveland Ultralight fitting system is really key and really advantageous to golfers of all skill level. It's a great opportunity to take yourself to an Edwin Watts golf store, get a fitting professional to help you maximize your distance by finding the right shaft and the right weight to help you get the most distance out of your driver. Recently, we did a test here at my local club, and we found that we had over 50 golfers, actually we had 52 golfers come out and hit the new Ultralight driver by Cleveland Golf, and what we found was that 50 of them, when you matched up the right weight for their speed and their golf swing, they gained over an average of 8 yards per person. Only one person didn't gain any yardage, and they hit it exactly the same distance as their previous driver. So if you go, you get properly fit, you maximize your launch, you maximize your spin, and you get the weight that's right for you, you're going to pick up an average of 8 yards just by going to see the experts at Edwin Watts Golf to get you in the right Cleveland driver.